Okay, so let's invite Sangeet on stage. Sangeet കുറേ നേരമായിട്ട് എന്നെ എപ്പോഴാ വിളിക്കുക എൻ്റെ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ. Sangeet Pratap on stage and alage Shyam Mohan to please come on stage. JK, just kidding. And Amul baby, Mr. Sangeet, Amul baby and alage Shyam. ఇద్దరు దే హ్యావ్ డన్ సచ్ అ ఫెంటాస్టిక్ జాబ్. ప్రతి వాళ్ళు పాత్రలో జీవించేశారు. ഞാൻ നല്ലതാ പറയട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, സോ സംഗീത് ഇസ് ഗോയിങ് ടു സ്പീക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓർ ശ്യാം? ഓക്കെ.
JK, just kidding. So, in 2015, I resigned my job, sir. I was in Mumbai working for a corporate company. So why I resigned is because I was not feeling happy with my job, and I was thinking I should do something else. This is not what I supposed to do. I'm not supposed to sit in an office and do office job. So I just quit my job. I didn't know what to do. My heart told me to quit the job and try something creative. And just like sir said, and now I found the purpose of my life standing in front of you, sir. So this is really a a dream come true moment. When I was in Mumbai, I was among North Indians, and they used to, call me Madrasi and all. And then Bahubali got released, and the same people started asking me, how you make such movies here? South movies are so great, and why Kattappa killed Bahubali? That was the main question. So I was so proud sitting in between them and feeling proud that someone from my place made a movie like this, because we don't differentiate between Telugu or Kerala, nothing like. We are all like Allu Arjun fans, Prabhas fans. So we don't have any difference of cinema whatsoever. So I don't know what to say. My wife is sitting here. I know she is so proud. I have been struggling since 9 years to reach this stage, and she was there like from 2017 with me. She has seen all my struggles, and I think I made you proud, baby. So thank you so much. I'll pass the mic to Amal Davis now.
Amala.
Hi all. Actually, I'm very much nervous. I hope you will take me to the hospital if I got some heart attack.
Oh yeah, sure. Akkada 108 is there ready.
Yeah, okay.
By the way, Amal is also an editor.
Yeah.
And he's an actor too. ఇంకా ఏమేం టాలెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో? వేరే కొరే టాలెంట్స్ ఉంటలే. సింగింగ్. ఓకే. Dancing, yeah.
Let me complete this and go there ASAP. Actually, I just forget everything I prepared.
So because you forgot everything that you prepared, you can do one thing. Sing one song.
No, I will
JK,
continue.
just kidding.
Okay. I will
You can
continue
speak.
my speech.
Continue.
I'm very happy and proud to be here because we are from Kerala, where we celebrated Triple R, Bahubali, and I even watched Jadiratnulu, and I'm a big fan of that movie. Actually, from the where we celebrate those movies, we dubbed Telugu movies there, and now we are here representing our Kerala, our Malayalam movies to you all, and it's a huge success, and I'm very proud to be here. And also, I never get a chance to thank our director Girish Ettan, because there is no such formal speech or talk between us. But I think this is the best place to thank him. Thank you, Girish Ettan, because you changed our life, and thank you all because I just saw a dialogue that Telugu people never let down good contents, and I can see that here. Thank you all.
Shyam. Yes, Shyam.
You asked him to sing a song, but I want to sing a song.
Wow. Hey, come on.
Sir, Kirwani sir, I'm a big fan. Actually, I met my wife through Smule. It's a singing app. We both started singing together, and we started liking together, and we got married. So I'll sing a Malayalam song of you. I don't know if you remember, there's a movie Surya Manasam by Mammootty sir. There's a beautiful song composed by you. തരളിതരാവിൽ മയങ്ങിയോ സൂര്യമാനസം വഴിയറിയാതെ വിതുമ്പിയോ സ്നേഹനൊമ്പരം, ഏതു വിമുഖതലങ്ങളിൽ ജീവിത നൗകയിതേന്തിയോ, ദൂരെ ദൂരെയായി നിൻ തീരമില്ലയോ, തരളിതരാവിൽ മയങ്ങിയോ സൂര്യമാനസം, വഴിയറിയാതെ വിതുമ്പിയോ സ്നേഹനൊമ്പരം. താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് സാർ.
സൂപ്പർ ആയിട്ട് പാടി.
ഡ്രീം കം.
വളരെ നല്ല സൂപ്പർ സൂപ്പർ.
താങ്ക് യു. ഡ്രീം കം ട്രൂ മൂമെന്റ്. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
ఐ థింక్ బై కీరవాణి గారి సాంగ్ పాడడం మాత్రమే కాదు, యూ ఆల్సో ఆడిషన్ ఫర్ కీరవాణి సార్. యూ మైట్ గెట్ అ ఛాన్స్ ఇన్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మూవీస్. Casting, yeah. As a singer, yeah, and as an actor, as an editor too. Thank you so much, both of you all.
Thank you,
And wishing you loads and loads of luck. Thank you so much. Thank you.